guys, it's Bridget. I'm Shoup, the Crystal Hilly Gypsy here, and I'm super excited. My book is almost ready to release. Heal Yourself Holistically will come out on July 3rd, 2020, so we're just days away. I wanted to make a quicker video explaining what you will find in these pages. So this book focuses on how to heal with herbs and crystals. And so some of the things that you'll learn in these pages, I'm going to try to go through this quicker. I do have a disclaimer in here about being aware, especially of herbs, that you do your due diligence and homework to make sure they're safe. And of course, I do have safety information in the book as well. I go into understanding dis-ease in your body, alternative ways to heal yourself, and then I have this broken up into 2 chapters. So chapter 1 is all about the plant kingdom. So the plant kingdom is going to give you all sorts of information. In that section, you're going to learn about herbal history, you're going to learn about expiration dates, and then if you are on the witchy side of things like me, I do have sections in here all about ways to work with herbs and magically. And then also healing with herbs. And then from there, we go into an herbal list. So let me get to that spot for you guys. So in my herbal list, you will see it's broken down in alphabetical order by ailment. And then I list the different herbs that you can try working with their information. So it's a really handy and fast way to find the information that you're looking for. From there, we go into chapter 2, which is the mineral kingdom. So from the mineral kingdom, it's going to reflect and mirror the herbal information. So for example, you're going to get crystal history. You're also going to learn how to work with the crystals. And then again, I have the magical mineral section for witches, so how to work with crystals magically. And then we have the healing crystal list. So we go here, and just as before, I'll show you again. It will list it again by ailment in alphabetical order, and then I do list the crystals that I recommend working with for that. At the back of the book, I do have a index, and in the index I have it listed a few different ways. I have it listed by ailment, I have it listed by herb, so there's an herbal index, and I also have it listed, wait for it, as a crystal index. So there's lots of ways to look it up. I try to make this super simple and easy for you guys to navigate through, and I feel it's really going to help a lot of people heal themselves holistically, especially in a time where things are uncertain. Being more self-sufficient is really, really important, and that's why this book has been birthed so quickly, and I feel it's very important to share now. So to get your hands on this book, I have it in paperback, and I also have it in ebook form. You can order it on Amazon, or you can fly on over to my website, which is BMoonStruck.com, and I have all the links there for you to purchase it. Again, it comes out July 3rd, 2020, and I'm looking forward to enlightening you with some healing yourself holistically. So thank you for listening, and until the next time, I'm sending you light, loves, and lunar hugs. Bye everybody, have a magical day.